Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm cooking this sticky Asian beef mince. So this is just easy to make. So I've got a pan here that is nice and hot. I'm adding some oil. So I'm going to first of all add some onions, just one onion, large onion that I've diced, and cook the onion until the onion is nice and soft. So one onion. So I'm going to cook the onion until it's nice and soft, and then I'll show you the next stage. This is an easy dish that is budget friendly. Also, you can make it on a weeknight and it's nice and quick. So just cooking the onion. So now I've got about 700 grams of beef mince, which I'm going to just cook and brown at the moment. So now I'm going to use a wooden spoon to break the mince, to break it down and cook until they're nice and brown. So just break the mince down. So I'm just adding some onion powder and garlic powder. Also adding all-purpose seasoning. Just adding all-purpose seasoning and chicken seasoning. And some salt also. Black pepper. Adding black pepper. So the mince are now nice and brown, and they are looking good. So So now I'm going to add some soy sauce, so about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Also adding some garlic. Adding some oyster sauce, so about a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now I'm just adding some sweet chili sauce, so about a tablespoon and a half of sweet chili sauce. Feel free to add more if you like it to be a little bit chili. Guys, this is a very easy dinner to make and very budget friendly. So now I'm just adding some spring onions, the stems of the spring onions, and then I'll add the rest of the spring onions in a minute. Now adding the spring onions. Guys, I'm going to serve this with some rice, and please don't forget to subscribe or like the video if you can, and thank you for watching.